You probably want to learn how to become a successful influencer. You probably want to be able to charge the amounts that the most successful influencers are charging, like $2,000 per post, $8,000 per post, even $200,000 per post. You may think that you can try your luck, create a profile, post some photos or videos, and wait for the brands to contact you for a sponsored post. Well, it's not that easy. You need to follow the exact steps that other successful influencers have followed. You need to have a system in place. You need to crack the influencer code. Brands love social media influencers because they encourage their followers to buy products they promote. Based on recent marketing reports, the next 3 years will be the best years for influencers. There is no doubt that influencer marketing will be a must for many years to come. On Instagram alone, influencer marketing is the top marketing strategy used by the biggest brands. Major brands plan to increase spend on influencer marketing in the next years. The influencer marketing industry is expected to hit $15 billion by 2022. Marketers spend $25,000 to $50,000 on influencer marketing campaigns. There is no better time than now to become a social media influencer. This is how you'll become a successful social media influencer. No surprises, no questions, no stones left unturned in this guide. You will learn all the secrets of the most successful social media influencers. Let's take a quick look at what you'll find inside. How influencers generate their income. How to go viral on TikTok. How to use hashtags and challenges the right way on TikTok. TikTok Analytics. The best tool for an influencer. What are the most important things when choosing your niche? How to use captions and hashtags like a pro on Instagram. Analyzing your audience and creating viral posts. How to set yourself ready to be contacted by brands for promotions. Things you should never do as an influencer. How to set up your YouTube channel the right way. Analyzing your channel data for maximum exposure. And much, much more. Everything about TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, step by step. Here are the 3 easy steps to crush it as a social media influencer. Step number 1, steal our influencer marketing secrets. Step number 2, implement all the steps in the guide. And finally, step number 3, collect the profits from your promotions. Act now and get free access to our exclusive Fast Action bonuses. Fast Action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. Our cheat sheet is a must-have summary of the guide and makes the process fun and easy to follow. You'll have the entire guide converted into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you don't miss out on any important parts of the guide. Fast Action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. We know that most people are visual learners, meaning that they can process information that they can see better than information that they hear or read. This mind map gives you a clear outline of everything covered inside the guide. Feel free to print it out for quick and easy access whenever you need it. Fast Action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide provides you with a simple list of all the resources included in the guide. This way, you can easily refer to any resource you may need. We are 100% confident that you'll learn a fun way to become the next successful social media influencer. Click the button below now to get instant access.